Hi, we're here at the Art Project in Bellflower, and we are gonna assemble some doll shoe kits. So the doll shoe kits come in these really cute purses that you can use for your dolls. It comes with all the pieces you need except for a glue gun. So we should have 2 pieces of foam board, and then we have these 2 plastic pieces, string, 4 pieces of ribbon, and then we got 2 hair ties. So I have it like that. And we're gonna have the unicorn go inwards. All right there. There we go. Ooh, yeah, that's what we wanted. Look at that. Do mine. So we got our ribbon on our hair tie like this. The buttons are gonna be the last thing. So now we got our foam board pieces. And remember, our left is the one that looks like an L. You won't see it because it's mirrored on the camera. But this is our left side, so this is gonna be the L. So we are gonna
Are we gonna glue this over here?
Oh yeah, we are. You know that glue end that we have right here on our ribbon? We're gonna tuck it in and it's gonna glue right here on the heel. Uh-huh. We're gonna heel it. So look at, I'm gonna put some glue right here. And I'm gonna glue that ribbon bit down. And the instructions say 1/4 inch, but measure with your heart if you want to.
Okay.
And so now we just match up the shapes. Cool. And we're gonna do the other one. I like to glue right here on the ribbon, on the plastic. Ooh, you got some on your finger.
It's okay, it does not burn.
It doesn't burn?
It does not act.
Okay.
That's enough.
And the other one is right over there. Cool. We got the ice cream buttons and yours. And there's one more step you can use. There's string involved, and you just simply wrap it around here to make a nice cool finish like I did with this one. It's kind of dark, but the lighter one, you can tell it just wraps around it. Or the striped one, you can tell. It's just string wrapped around it to make it look nicer.
Or maybe you could just add the glue.
Or you could just add the glue. You don't need to have the string. If you got pretty glitter glue, you can skip this step. Do you want us to just cut the string off? And then you can add the glue to that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's